How to install Claude on Mac. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Claude on your Mac operating system. Now installation of Claude for your Mac OS is very simple. You just need to open the file that you downloaded. But the main challenge here is to locate the download link for Claude that is built in for your Mac operating system. So what you want to have to do is just head straight into Claude's official website, and then you just need to scroll all the way down till you find an option here that says Platform Integrations. If you're not able to see it on your Mac, then you just need to create a new tab and then type in Claude for Mac. Now choose on the first result that says Get Started with Desktop App, and then once you're on the platform, which is going to be the Claude Code Docs, you should now then be able to see the download link that is only for your Mac OS. Download this for your Mac and then simply do the usual thing of installation of any platforms or apps that you're using on your Mac, and you should be able to use them. And that's it. That's how you install Claude on Mac.